No, what are you doing? Get off my sister! Charlie. I saw what you were doing through the window. Charlie, I saw what you were doing to my sister. Now get out here! Oh, hey Ross, what's up, bro? What the hell are you doing? Hey, what's going on? Well, I think Ross knows about me and Monica. Dear, you're right there. I thought you were my best friend. This is my sister. My best friend and my sister. I cannot believe this. Look, we're not just messing around. I love her, okay? I'm in love with her. I'm so sorry that you had to find out this way. I'm sorry, but it's true. I love him too. My best friend and my sister. I cannot believe this. You guys probably wanna get some hugs in too, huh? Big news. No, it's okay. We actually know for a while. What? You guys know? You all know and you didn't tell me. Well, Ross, we were worried about you. We didn't know how you were going to react. You were worried about me? You didn't know how I was going to react?